don't know, just does something to my soul. All right. It's deep. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
So this is our 5th week together. Intro to Lindy. We did just a really couple simple variations to our Lindy. We did an underarm pass, which instead of going 360 degrees, we're just going 180. So we're going to start in open position. My left hand, her right hand, and we're going to start our typical, what would be typical of Lindy. And I'm back stepping, she's walking towards me. 1, 2, and then we're going to go 3 and 4, and then she's going to turn around on 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. It's just a simple underarm pass going 180 degrees instead of 360. We'll do it a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Really easy. Okay, now we did the Lindy basket. Christina, as the follow, is just basically going to be moving in a line. She's going to be moving forward, and then she's going to kind of bungee backwards. But I am going to kind of move 360 degrees around her, while she just kind of moves in a straight line back and forth. And I'm going to start with the swing out, and then I'm going to slide into a double handhold. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, double handhold. And then it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice on 3 and 4, I end up kind of tandem in parallel to Christina. I'm going to take my right hand and kind of lead her to the right side of my body as I keep going around in a circle. And 5, letting go on 6, 7, 8. So a little faster. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, hand hold, double hand hold, 1, 2, 3, and 4, bungee backwards, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the Lindy basket.